When you connect the machine, you can open the package. Then you can see those cable. In the USB cable, the one side connecting the machine, another side connecting the laptop. And this is the foot switch. When you're connecting the foot switch and open the software, so you can press foot switch, the after machine is marking. And this is the machine power supply. Okay, let's go to connecting the machine, deflate the cable. This one we can connect the USB cable. The one side connecting the machine. Okay. And another foot switch. The second one connected the foot switch. You can see two pins in 1 and 2. So connecting here. The last one is power supply. So you can see 3 pins. And we go to here, connect it. And put it in, out there, fix it. Okay, let's go to turn on the electronic power. So first we connect the machine's power supply. After we go to connecting the laptop power supply, this is the power supply for laptop. Okay, all cables finished connected. Right now we turn on the machine power supply. You can see here switch. Okay, after turn on emergency of the machine, and we can turn on scan ahead button. After turn on the laser button. This switch adjusts the focus up. This switch adjusts focus down, and this switch adjusts the speed up and down. Okay, let's check up and down switch function. When we press the up switch, the machine focus up, and we press down the focus down. And this switch adjusts the down and up speed. We can go to the higher. So let's see it again. Now we turn on the software we call it Electro-optic for laser marking machine. Sometimes if the machine show you demo, it's not connected to the USB. When the machine show you your software is demo, so you have to reconnect it to this USB cable. Now I turn on the machine, software is working because there is no animation about the demo. Okay, let's add to some marking something. Okay, we can write our company name, optic. After apply it's optic, and we have to fill in the hatch. This is we call a hatch. There are different types of hatch you can choose. You can select. So we would like to use this one, and the line space we can put 0.05 or 0.08. It depends on your exact request. Now we can adjust the parameters. Usually we use 1000 because this is a 50 watt laser marking machine, so we can adjust the 50% power. Okay. Out select marking select, and you can see red. Due to the machine focus need to adjust, so we have to find the focus. How to find the focus? You can see two red points. Yes. And when two red points together, it means on the focus. Now we can adjust up and down. Now we can press down switch. So when two red points go together, the focus is correct. Okay, this is a focus. Okay, let's do engraving something on metal. Hi, right now we introduce how to connect the rotary device. So you can see two different connector, and this one and with this one. Okay, it's done. So after we can go to the software of the laptop. Okay, now the function we use the rotary device, we have to select the laser on menu. So after go to select rotary test marking, and this is set up the rotary device diameter depend on your ring or bracelet. Exactly engraving something. And this is distance, the step for rotary. Okay, let's make a red point. If there is no problem, come on. If you want to engrave inside of the ring, you have to lose this screw. This one, lose this screw. After you can change the angle of the rotary device. Now we can pull out the ring to engrave it inside of the put it to the rotary. Hold on. So it's been engraving inside of the ring. This is find the focus for inside ring